Good morning. I just came downstairs and checked my computer because I was uploading Monday's vlog, which is almost an hour long, and it was uploading all night long. And it is still only at 83% and has an hour and 22 minutes left. Ugh. So that's fun. That's what sometimes happens. Today is Friday, September 25th, and on the board today we have another trio of errands that will all be in one trip. Friday is when I usually return the library books that we have. I have a pile of them over there by my desk. And on my way to go do these other two things, which is grocery pickup, I can do that anytime between 4 and 4:50 actually. At Walmart grocery pickup, and then Culver's I pick up on Fridays because that's our family tradition. We eat Culver's every Friday for supper. Here's a look outside today. Fairly sunny. And again, it's supposed to be kind of hot today, but I think today is supposed to be the last hot day. And then it's supposed to get more into some actual seasonal temperatures in like the 60s, which I will like much better because when it's too hot, we don't want to take our walks, and that really bums me out because then we don't get out of the house and get any exercise at all. I was sleeping fine, and then I woke up at 4, like right before 4 o'clock. Got up, went to the bathroom, laid back down, took forever to fall back asleep. I finally stopped looking at the clock. The last time I looked, it was like 5:30. Sometime after that, I fell back asleep, and then both Ben and I, because we were just talking about it, got woken up by a very rude person blasting their car horn, like just laying on their car horn right outside our house. It was really loud and really long and woke both of us up. I don't know why they would have been honking on a residential street. Ben said he said to himself, "What do I live in Los Angeles now or something?" Because that's what it was like. Ben just finished school, and basically he was fine in all of his classes except for science. He had a whole big huge chunk of science to do, and so I helped him and we worked on that for the morning and got him all caught up in science. And then he did his French on his own, and now he's done for the day, and it's just now I'm gonna make lunch. Megan is out in the living room working, and she said she was working at American government, and she said she has a lot to do. They're trying to get caught up past the point of Monday, and Ben's teacher just put a message on Google Classroom because some students apparently noticed that the dates in Edgenuity had changed, and apparently what they did was they adjusted the Edgenuity dates to not have things due on the days they don't have school. For example, Monday, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, is a teacher professional development day, and so there's no school, but there were things, I know yesterday when I looked, there were things on Edgenuity that said they were due on Monday, and they didn't want that to be like that, so they changed it. So that kind of messed some kids up, I guess, that were kind of confused, but we're good. So Ben is good now, and Megan's going to make sure she has everything done that is due through the 28th of September, which is Monday. And now I have a owie on my finger. I'm sorry, I'm not flipping you off. This middle finger is absolutely throbbing. I don't actually see anything wrong with it. It was fine last night. I woke up with what felt like kind of a stingy sensation, like a paper cut. I don't see anything wrong with it, but the finger is just throbbing. It hurts really bad right at the end by the nail. It's shiny because I put some hydrogen peroxide on it and some antibiotic ointment. I don't get it. I just hope it stops hurting because it really hurts. I'm just making like picnicky lunch for the kids, and I'm going to microwave myself a lean cuisine. If you haven't figured it out by now, I really hate cooking. I've never liked cooking, and basically I'm cooking for like me and Ben because Megan is a really picky eater, and I just have not had any success in finding much variety in what really either of them will eat. They're better about eating when we travel. Like, I mean, Megan will try all sorts of cool things on a cruise, and the other thing that's challenging right now is getting all the food I want to get through online ordering and only being able to get it where we can pick it up is challenging. It seems like there's a lot of shortages of stuff. A lot of things I would normally get, I can't find. So it's really been hard during the pandemic to eat decent because we're not eating very well. We're really not. We just kind of have the same stuff over and over again. I have a hard time finding vegetables. The couple times I've gotten fruit, it's not very good. There's certain things I can't get at all. Are you guys having trouble? Well, I don't know if anybody else is being as diligent as me. I have not gone into a grocery store, and I'm not going to. So if you're only getting your groceries online like I am, are you having trouble? Or even if you are going into the grocery store, are you finding that there are things that are missing or hard to get? Let me know in the comments below. All right, we're all done with lunch, and Ben is out at his computer in the dining room, and I am at my computer. I moved some video from my computer to a flash drive to free up some space on my computer so that I could move video from Tuesday's vlog to the computer so that I can edit Tuesday's vlog. So that's my life now, just moving things around to make space. Megan still has a lot of schoolwork to do, so I'm curious to see how long that all takes her. And let's see how long it takes me to edit this vlog. I'm starting right now and it's 12:15. Okay, well, just for starters, I just imported all the video that I took on Tuesday into my Filmora and put it all in order. And as of right now, I thought it was going to be a lot shorter than Monday's vlog, but as of right now, it's 50 minutes and 29 seconds. So that's how long it is right now. Let's see how long it is after I edit it. It is 1:25, and Megan just came and told me that she is done for the day, and she says it feels really good to be done early because she isn't usually done this early. I am still editing Tuesday's vlog, so I've been doing it now for an hour and 10 minutes. I still have quite a bit to go. Okay, it is 2:40 p.m. and I just finished editing Tuesday's vlog, and I got it down to 40 minutes. So I cut 10 minutes off of it, and it's exporting now. Fingers crossed it fits on the computer. And then I'm not even going to try. I was really hoping to do some editing this weekend, but I just don't have any room on the computer. So until, well, like maybe on Sunday, after Sunday's vlog posts, well, although Sunday's vlog isn't very long, I probably won't be able to do anything else until after Monday's vlog posts, because that's the longest one. And so then after Sunday and Monday's vlogs post, and I can delete all that stuff off the hard drive, then I can edit Wednesday, and then I might have to just do one day at a time. Anyway, okay, while this is exporting, I am going to take another full basket of laundry downstairs, and I haven't done any of my other stuff today yet. I haven't practiced my languages, I haven't read the news, I haven't done any of that stuff yet, so I'll probably do that while this is exporting. I just finished doing my French lessons for today, and I waited to do that first before I started uploading the video that I edited today, because I have discovered that when I am uploading, Duolingo on my computer doesn't work right. Like, I'll do the whole lesson and then it just sits there and thinks, and then it doesn't recognize that I did it, and it makes me do it all over again. So if I'm uploading, I either have to wait to do my Duolingo or I have to do it on my phone, and then it's fine. I like doing it on my computer because I can type way faster on my computer for the typing parts. And we're rejoicing because I got another subscriber. Yay! Every subscriber I get is cause for celebration. And now I'm going to start my upload so that can get going. Ooh, today's video, which is about the house on the rock, is in the number 2 spot for the last 10 videos, so that's good. Okay, so I'm going to start the upload for today's video, or the video I edited today, so that can get going while I go and run the errands. Megan and I are in the car waiting for the air conditioning to kick in. I forgot the tripod, so I'm sorry about this weird angle. I just took out the recycling, and the big recycling bin is now completely full, and they're not going to pick it up for 4 more days. So hopefully, yeah. And it's really hot out again, so probably no walk again, yeah?
Yeah.
It's hot and it's buggy. We hate bugs. We're gonna run the errands now. We're returning all of these books. I did not read either of these because I ran out of time, and they're due back, and I won't be able to read them all, and so those are going back. We have to make 3 stops. Here is stop number 1, the library. Megan is returning the books to the library. They're having everybody return everything in that slot right there, because that goes into the community room, which they have blocked off right now, and they're using it for quarantining the books. And I noticed how Megan swerved around that lady because neither of them is wearing masks. Stop number 2, Walmart grocery pickup. This is what it looks like. And it's all on an app. I mean, I do it on my computer at home, but it's connected. Ooh, it's busy. There's a lot of people. I'm gonna park in spot number 9. And then I just go on the app. It knows I'm here. And then I just go on the app and tell them what spot I'm parked in. While we're waiting for them to bring out our groceries, I just want to say 2 things. 1, my finger is absolutely throbbing. It's killing me. There is visually absolutely nothing wrong with it. I don't know why it hurts. It's very annoying. Secondly, while we were sitting here, Megan said she got it earlier, we got yet another email from the high school that there is another positive COVID case. Not very comforting at all. That's 5 now?
Yeah.
5 positive cases, plus all the people those 5 people came into contact with are all quarantining for 14 days. And again, I really wonder how much of this can happen before they have to send everybody home to do virtual school, to do distance learning. And I'm so glad my kids are not at school, I can't even tell you. I'm so happy that they are not there, because I have absolutely zero confidence at all that they would be safe at school. So, see, they come up, and that girl right there just loaded our car in the trunk. They bring it out in those blue crates like that, and they load it all up for you. You each get your own little personal shopping person. It's very easy. And I'll probably never go back to shopping in a store even when the pandemic's over. Final stop is Culver's to get our Friday night Culver's food, and then we're gonna go home and watch Timeless together and eat it, and that'll be about it for our Friday. I'm adding in a little blurb here. It's late on Friday night. Well, not late, but it's like 7:30 or something. Anyway, it's dark outside. We just got an email, our weekly virtual learning update that they send out to the virtual student families that the district sends out to us every Friday. And apparently what happened, remember in a video the other day, it might have been Tuesdays, I said that the kids had been ahead the whole time, and then all of a sudden they were struggling to keep up. And I thought like my kids were struggling or something, but it wasn't them at all. Here's what happened. A bunch of students, some students reported that they noticed, or their parents or something, noticed that they were marked absent on Labor Day. Now my kids weren't, they were fine, but some kids were marked absent on Labor Day, which is a holiday and there's no school that day. So when they went to check into it, they realized that the district had never put the district's school calendar into the Edgenuity program. So the Edgenuity program wasn't counting the days that there was no school, because the kids at home don't have to have school on the days like this upcoming Teacher Professional Development Day on Monday. The kids at home don't have to do school on those days either, because there's no school those days. Well, when they fixed that problem and put the correct district calendar into the Edgenuity, it threw off everybody's pacing. And so all the kids that were ahead were now not ahead anymore, And I mean, maybe not everybody, but that's why my kids went from being way ahead to being basically just on track. And Megan, you were even behind in one class, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, she even fell behind. And so a whole bunch of kids fell into the red. So apparently yesterday and today, a bunch of people were panicking because all of a sudden they were behind in everything. And they really did make everybody behind now because it took out 17 days of no school for the first semester, including teacher professional days. I know that we get 2 days off at the end of October. The whole Thanksgiving week we get off, and then Christmas break. So none of that had been set up in Edgenuity as those being non-school days. And so the Edgenuity program had kids like going to school on all those days, and that's how the pacing was set up. So now it's not like that. So thankfully my kids are still on track, and I feel like you guys will be able to get ahead again soon, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they shouldn't have too much trouble getting ahead again soon, but I can imagine why some people, if they were already struggling to stay on track, that really could have thrown them off, and that would have been upsetting. And that was the district's mistake because they are the ones who were responsible for putting their own calendar into the program. So, oops.